Saturday, I watched you fly away across the empty sky.
Hey guys, it's Wathoni here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make fenugreek mask for the hair. The last time we made fenugreek treatment, we are going to take the seeds that we had soaked in water when we made our fenugreek treatment and blend it.
I turned around and waved goodbye, and now it's me alone. It's just an empty home that's on an empty street in a town that always sleeps.
I have to warn you, if the seeds are not blended well, they are going to leave some whitish particles on your hair, and you're going to take a lot of time and also a lot of water rinsing them. But if you don't mind, then you can go ahead and use the seeds. If you have access to fenugreek powder, the better. But if all you have is the seeds, you can use this part of the blender to grind the seeds into a powder and then add water to blend them to a paste.
And a blind man in the darkness knows no difference, but I have grown accustomed to the colors that you bring.
I began by sectioning my hair into different parts for easier application of the paste. As you can see, apply the paste on your hair. It doesn't require any specific formula. You're only required to make sure that the paste goes to all parts of the hair and also the scalp.
I checked the dial tone on the telephone, but when I try to speak, the reception gets so weak. I took it.
So guys, as you can see, the mask gives your hair beautiful definition. It makes the curls pop out. You can also observe that when you're combing the hair, there is no hair fall whatsoever. The hair is just easy, smooth, and it's a very smooth process. So just to mention, fenugreek makes your hair thicker, it makes your hair grow longer, and also it makes your hair very strong. I think you can Google about the benefits of fenugreek. You can use it in different ways. You can use it as a fenugreek tea or fenugreek hair treatment. There are so many ways in which you can use the fenugreek seeds for your hair, for your skin, for your body. It has so many benefits.
Hours drive into the countryside. The sky was bright and clear, but
make sure that the paste is distributed to every part of your hair. You can use the comb to make sure that it goes deeper into the scalp, since it is going to help us maintain a healthy scalp.
it was cold without you here, and my mind is turning back before I knew you, and the numbness was the only thing I'd ever really known. I was on. Long ago, I was happy by myself.
I am going to tie my satin bonnet for a maximum of 10 minutes, after which I am going to rinse my hair and then continue with the other natural hair shenanigans as we all know.
Long ago,
guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you have something that you think I might be interested in trying, or if you have any questions regarding the products that I use, you can always leave a comment at the comment section, and I will be there to answer all those questions. I hope you continue sharing, continue subscribing, and also we shall continue growing together. So thank you. Bye bye.
I got a photograph beneath a sheet of glass inside a cherry frame.